Hi, hello future doctors and parents. In recent years, China has emerged as one of the leading countries providing the best international level clinical MBBS education. One of the key reasons for this is the alignment with the National Medical Commission, that is NMC guidelines. As an Asian country, China offers an MBBS program similar in duration and structure to that in India. China's medical academic field is highly active, consistently producing qualified doctors. To witness this, visit your nearest hospital and you are likely to find at least one doctor who studied MBBS in China is now practicing here. Ningbo University is one of the China's most renowned government universities, established in 1986 with over 1,500 Indian students already graduated. It stands out as a trusted institution for international medical education. In this video, I'll be explaining everything you need to know about studying MBBS at Ningbo University. Tuition fees, academic, university recognition, program curriculum, entry requirement, living expenses and career opportunities. Ningbo is a significant port city in the Xinjiang province located in eastern China. Xinjiang is one of China's most developed provinces and is historically significant. Ningbo is also the major trade and economic hub in China. The city is home to some stunning landmarks like Tianyi Pavilion, China's oldest library, the Dongqing Lake and the Bangkok Temple, among many others. The university itself is located in Jiangwei, one of the Ningbo's most developed areas, spanning 12 square kilometers or 3,000 acres. The campus features 5 campuses, 8 hostels, supermarket, departmental stores, libraries, cafeterias, and even a police post. It's a modern residential campus offering world-class facilities and urban infrastructure. With nearby railway stations, airport, and bus terminals, traveling to and from Ningbo is incredibly convenient. Within the city, you can use public transportation like metro, trams, making the travel easy and affordable. When it comes to safety, China's strong law and order system ensures a security environment. Ningbo University also has a dedicated campus security team providing the students with a safe and secure study atmosphere. Ningbo University holds a prestigious rank of 79 among over 3,000 Chinese universities in the Center of World University Ranking. It has made significant contribution to medical education and research in China. According to 2024 statistics, Ningbo University secured over 200 government-level projects, further solidifying its reputation in the medical field. Aligned with NMC guidelines, the MBBS program at Ningbo includes a 5-year course and 1-year compulsory internship, ensuring you are eligible to take the next exam and practice or pursue PG studies in India. The university also has ECFMG and WFME accreditation, proving its adherence to global standards in medical education. The MBBS program in China closely follows India's medical syllabus, focusing on clinical medicine, unlike European countries which emphasize preventive medicine. The program is conducted in English and include 5 years of clinical studies and 1 year of internship. First year, you have to cover preclinical subjects like anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. From second year onwards, clinical rotation covering advanced specialties such as medicine, hematology, surgery, pathology, oncology, and more. 6th year, full-fledged internship with patient interactions. Program follows a semester-based evaluation system with an internal assessments, viva, and end semester exams. Practical exams include patient examination and laboratory tests. Final evaluation exams are mandatory during the internship year. The grading system is based on a GPA, which determines whether you pass or fail. China's advanced clinical exposure is one of its biggest advantages. With a large population similar to India, students get hands-on training with the real patients and most importantly using cadavers, and its ratio is 1 cadaver for 5 students. Ningbo University has 8 affiliated hospitals with a capacity over 4,000 beds, ensuring top-class facilities and advanced clinical experience. The annual tuition fee at Ningbo University is 38,000 RMB, approximately 4.3 lakhs. One of the highlights is the scholarship program. 50% refund of the first year tuition fee for all students based on the scholarship program. From the second year onward, full scholarships are awarded to the top 12 students based on the academic performance. This makes Ningbo an affordable option for academically bright students who wish to study MBBS without financial burden. Accommodation is provided in on-campus hostel with options for 4 sharing and single rooms. Hostel fees range from 46,000 to 75,000 per year, which is comparatively lower than many other countries. For food, students have the option of mess facilities or self-cooking, with most preferring the latter as it's affordable and healthy. Monthly expenses for groceries and other essentials come to around 8,000 rupees. Ningbo's coastal location offers a pleasant climate with all four seasons. Summers and winters are mild compared to India, making it comfortable for Indian students to adapt and enjoy the weather. The nearest airport to Ningbo University is the Ningbo Lishe International Airport, just 40 kilometers away, a 20 minutes drive. Direct flights are also available from major airports like Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. Flight ticket charges will be around 20,000 Indian rupees. China's currency is RMB, commonly known as yuan, that is CNY. One CNY is approximately equal to 11 rupees. After completing your MBBS at Ningbo, you can take the Chinese medical licensing exam, that is CMLE, to practice in China. With a globally recognized degree, you can work in countries like the USA, Australia, Germany and the UK, where doctors earn high salaries. Since the curriculum closely follows India's syllabus, clearing the next exams and practicing in India becomes relatively easier for graduates. Many of the doctors graduated from China is cracking NEET PG. It's because the syllabus is almost same with India. The benefits of studying MBBS at Ningbo University include modern classroom, large hospital, excellent lab facilities, highly qualified faculties and great infrastructure. Ningbo offers a top-notch MBBS program at an affordable cost with scholarship opportunities, making it perfect choice for aspiring doctors. For admission details, contact us through our WhatsApp number provided in the description box. Share this video with our friends or family members, classmates or NEET repeaters who is planning to pursue MBBS abroad. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and leave your feedback and questions in the comments. See you soon with another video of introducing more top medical universities abroad. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.